life to a character which probably has not seen metal. We know more recent than 1930. Here is a special holder for holding foundry matrices in the Koike caster. There's a matrix in the holder. And this is a Koike typecasting machine, and I'm going to put the matrix in it right now. Lock it in, and it's ready to start casting, I believe. This machine is unique in that it trims the type on all four sides, and you can see the vertical knife coming up and down each time to trim the right and left. It's trimmed top and bottom as it goes underneath the type shoe, and you can see the finished type coming out over here. It's a full galley of type cast from these matrices. Now that I have a galley full of type, I can put a design together and make these beautiful faces from 1880 come to life.
And here you see the form made up in metal type, and this is a proof of it, the blue border. It came from the type itself. Of course, you have to have letters and spaces, so now we'll start doing that.
These are what you call Lanston flat mats. They're for casting display sizes, and I'm going to cast the type using my supercaster machine. Here's evidence that the machine is really called the supercaster, made in England. It's a rare gem in this country. The distance shot of the machine, the business end is over here. This is the matrix holder for the supercaster. Now I'll put the matrix in the casting cavity, which goes right here, and at the same time I'm going to go over here and set the width 24. There's the matrix going up and down, and I'll turn it on cast. There you see the character that I just cast. And so goes the supercaster in casting capital A's. And so we should be getting some ends just about now. There we go. And that's the procedure for casting type in larger sizes. You have to cast each individual letter, change the matrix, and go for the next letter. Of course, now that this type has been cast, it's got to be distributed into a type case, and then it will be hand set in the grand tradition of letterpress. I've just cleaned off the pot, and you can see I've got a lot of molten metal here. And now the matrix case goes into the casting machine, and it slides right into here. This gives you a little bit better perspective on what's going on. Here's a Macintosh computer, and it's waiting for the casting machine. I have a series of air valves where there used to be a paper tower. The caster is running now, and
the machine is making individual letters in sequence, lining them up, and putting the complete letters into the galley, all automatically driven by the Macintosh computer. That is the line being finished right there.
And over here is the mat case from which all this type was made.
Up close you can see the letters as they were cast by the machine and assembled just as you see them right here.
And therefore I have to go back to the old monotype keyboard itself. Cap and lowercase Roman, cap and lowercase italic, cap and lowercase boldface, and small capitals. This is a brand new ribbon which I just finished punching. It goes into the machine like this. And it's loaded up. Lock it down and catch it right there. And I'm ready to do the casting.
This marvelous system was first introduced in 1894.